Hi, I'm going to show you how you're going to upload your phonics video for the week to your teacher. So the first thing you want to do is go to your module and you're going to find phonics for the end of the week. And this is what it looks like. You have seen this all week. You've been such an amazing student and have practiced all of your words and you're ready to show your teacher what a rock star you are. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click Submit Assignment. Now, this is the tricky part, so make sure you listen. Before I hit Record Upload Media, you're going to come right here and click the play button. And as you can see, my words are now going. Now I'm going to come down here and hit Record Upload Media. And you can see me. Hi. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here where it says Start Recording, and I'm going to click that. And it's going to count down for me so I know when I'm going to start recording. Now I'm going to look back up here and I'm going to read these words to my teacher. When, your, as, with, they. And when I'm all done with my video, I'm going to click Finish. Now I can go back and re-watch my video if I want, or I can re-record it if I'm not happy with what I did. Then down here, I'm going to put a title in here. And I'm going to add my name so that my teacher knows who it is that's sending them this. I'm going to click Save, and this is the part that takes the longest. You think it's not doing anything, but it actually is. When it's all saved, a little tiny box will pop up like this, and I'll know that it's ready to be uploaded. Then down here, I can write a comment to my teacher. When I'm all ready to submit it to my teacher, all I have to do is click Submit Assignment.